Welcome back to another video, guys. My name is Janet and this is Lifestyle by Janet. So today I'll be taking you guys through a home tour. This is a 4-bedroom house. We're gonna just walk right through this and I'll show you what every single thing looks like. So starting from, do you know what, let's leave this and get back to the beginning. This house is a show home, so that's just storage for the items unused. This is the guest toilet just under the staircase, and I want to turn on the lights in a bit so you see what it looks like. Yeah, it's small. This is a UK, remember, everything is small. And just opposite it is like a pantry or like a storeroom or something, or a laundry room. I'm not sure what it is, but it's just a small space where you can kind of put stuff away. Now this is the kitchen and it's really pretty. I'm not a fan of the color blue because the kitchen is all blue. I'm not a fan. If you wear white, it would be absolutely amazing. And it has this oven and grill built into the set on the wall, which is very tidy because that saves you on some space. And as I said, this is a showroom, so you can see everything is already set up for you to just have a look around and have a feel of what an actual home is going to look like. I love the fact that the tap is very flexible and you can kind of move it around to do your dishes. And these are fake cupcakes anyway. So this is the dining setup. If you look right out, I moved too fast, sorry. Anyway, so we're in the living room, which is obviously furnished because it's a showroom. As I said earlier, I just sat down to take a quick break and then I'm going to continue this tour in a little bit. I actually love the way the colors were put together, and the living room gives off this neutral vibe, which is really, really nice. Just outside you can see the view is absolutely lovely. It's a very quiet, peaceful area. This is Boston, by the way, in case you're wondering. And Boston is a little town in Lincolnshire in the East Midlands in England. It's a very quiet town, so if you're going to buy a home here, I'm sure you're going to love it because everywhere is just quiet and the homes are very affordable. Anyway, so we're upstairs and then all the rooms are obviously upstairs because I didn't show you any room downstairs. I think this is the master bedroom. I'm not sure, but this is one of the bigger bedrooms because there are 2 big bedrooms and then 2 small bedrooms. This is definitely the master because it's en suite. So you can see the bathroom is not too big, but it's sizable. And stepping out, we're going to go to the other bedroom. So this is giving off like a younger person vibe. And then we have the bathroom upstairs, very pretty, very, very pretty. And then there's another room, so this is like a boys room or something. And then the final room is this one just by the landing. It's a bigger room, so probably if you have a guest over or something, you can have the person stay here. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I mean, as I said, it's a UK house. You don't expect much. It's not a mansion. It's just a very tidy 4-bedroom house. So I'll just go over it again. Well, this is me. So this is the wardrobe and everything is already set up. So if you're going to buy houses from this particular company, it's going to come with inbuilt wardrobes and everything already set up, apart from furniture, of course. And just testing out everything to see what they feel like, because I mean, you just have to have a feel of it, don't you? Okay, and let's move on to, I think I actually went over all the rooms again because I think I went over it too fast the first time. So I thought, do you know what, slow down, give you guys another view of these places. All right, okay, I didn't know the video was going to end that fast, but thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.